Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Audi's e-tron GT has been fully overhauled for 2025 with a new lineup, more power, more range, styling upgrades, interior upgrades, and faster charging. Now there are three versions of the e-tron GT: S e-tron GT, RS e-tron GT, and RS e-tron GT Performance. The S e-tron features 680 PS and 740 Nm of torque, which is more powerful than the 646 PS in the pre-facelift RS e-tron GT. The 0 to 100 km/h sprint is claimed at 3.4 seconds and a maximum claim range of 611 km or 380 miles. The RS e-tron GT now provides 856 PS and 865 Nm of torque, counting down the 0 to 100 km/h time to 2.8 seconds and the range of 601 km or 374 miles. And finally, we got the flagship RS e-tron GT Performance, putting out a whopping 925 PS and 1027 Nm of torque, making it the most powerful car from the brand to date. It will reach the three figures in a 2.5 seconds and a max range reduced to 594 km or 369 miles. The maximum charging speed for the e-tron GT is now kept at 320 kW DC, up from 270 kW DC, meaning a 10 to 80% charge in 18 minutes. All models use a 105 kWh battery, usable 97 kWh. The e-tron GT now has a reworked air suspension, and customers can optionally equip their e-tron GT with a feature of the vehicle ground clearance increasing when gaining access to the cabin and lowering it when the persons are inside. The outside has changed a bit, with S version having triangular insert up front and RS version having L-shaped insert. There are some new color and wheel options to choose from. Inside, we see a new steering wheel and updated software to the infotainment display. 14-way adjustable sport seats are now standard. In Germany, the prices are already confirmed, with the S model price at £126,000, rising to £147,500 for the RS e-tron GT, and the flagship RS e-tron GT Performance price at £160,500. UK prices are yet to be determined.